Back in 1989, by a twist of divine intervention, two young brothers witnessed their uncle filming a family soap opera starring their own parents. The tool of choice, a vintage JVC VHS professional video camera. That moment sparked a lifelong journey into filmmaking. What started with family events, school projects, and adventures with friends evolved into full-fledged cinematic experiences. Driven by an unquenchable thirst for creativity and knowledge, they navigated through higher education, seminars, conventions, and festivals. Their studies delved into film, photography, and graphic design, pushing their passion to greater depths. Learning from screenwriting gurus, whose impact on cinema is enduring, they absorbed wisdom that transformed their craft and elevated their storytelling. From collaborating with global brands on commercials to exploring motion graphics, VFX, and more, they pursued every facet of visual storytelling, using each opportunity as a canvas to create authentic narratives. In 2012, Mount Harvest came to life, a venture fueled by industry professionals' shared passion. Its mission: to craft compelling stories for brands and producers using state-of-the-art equipment and advanced expertise. The goal was clear: to deliver messages with precision, impact, and heart. Their journey was unmistakable. The camera became their sacred instrument, and each project a love letter to the art of filmmaking, a passion that defined them then and continues to shape them today. Mount Harvest makes films for brands. Cinema that immerses you in stories within a brand's universe.